You're here because you want to find out what's the reason behind drying croton leaves and what did you do wrong and what you can do to fix that. Let's find out really quick. Just stay with me for a few minutes, I will make you understand, I swear. First thing we are going to fix is locating the plant at right spot. The ideal spot for an indoor plant is about 3 feet away from a south or west facing window. This distance helps shield the plant from chilly drafts during fall and winter while also preventing the sun's rays from being intensified by the glass window. If you're placing your plant close to the window, make sure your glass window is not heating a lot. It could harm your plant. What you can do is use a sheer curtain to block some direct light. Crotons can tolerate direct morning sun, but if it's direct scorching midday sun, it could make leaves dry and crispy. When grown outdoors in full sunlight or placed too close to a sunny window indoors, a croton's foliage can become overexposed to light. So fix this first. Now next thing is lack of humidity in the air in your home. Dry air can cause leaves to lose moisture, leading to dryness. Low humidity speeds up water loss from croton leaves through transpiration, causing them to dry out faster than the plant can replace the moisture. Crotons thrive in high humidity. To boost humidity levels for your croton, you can do the following. Gently mist the leaves with water each day, particularly during dry seasons. Position a tray filled with water and pebbles beneath the pot. As the water evaporates, it will raise the humidity around the plant. Place your croton near other plants to create a small microenvironment with higher humidity. Next thing is too much or too little watering. Crotons need consistently moist soil. If they dry out too much between waterings, the leaves can become dry and crispy. You should water your plant whenever the top 1 to 2 inches of the topsoil dries out. In winters, let the topsoil dry out about 30%. Make sure the soil is well draining to avoid waterlogging. Crotons do best with consistent moisture. While crotons need moisture, too much water can lead to root rot, which deprives the plant of nutrients and oxygen, causing leaves to dry out. How to know if you're overwatering? If the soil in the pot is wet and leaves are turning yellow or brown and wilting, and dried leaves texture feels soft when touching, that's overwatering. If it's underwatered, leaves will feel a bit crispy in touch, and the yellowing will be different like full leaf yellowing. And crotons are sensitive to temperature stress. Crotons are sensitive to cold drafts or sudden drops in temperature, which can stress the plant and cause leaves to dry out. Keep the plant away from air conditioning vents, heaters, or drafty windows that can dry out the air. Keep the plant in a warm area and avoid sudden temperature changes. Pests like spider mites or scale can damage croton leaves, causing them to dry out as they lose nutrients. Check for signs of pests and treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil if necessary. Regularly clean the leaves to prevent pest infestations. Also, lack of essential nutrients, particularly nitrogen, can cause leaves to yellow and dry. Fertilize your croton during growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced fertilizer. Hope you find the cause for your plant, fix the care routine, and your plant will be fine. I make houseplants care videos on this channel. Consider subscribing if you want to learn more about houseplants.